guys, welcome back to I am the Arie Amore. Y'all, I am your host of today's video, Arie Amore. Period. I just got out the shower and I'm like geek. You know what I'm saying? Like when you get out the shower and it just be like the shower be so lit, and then you get out and it's like, what's next? That's how I feel because I had such a lit shower, y'all. I got out the shower and I said, I'm going to do a video of me doing a wash and go. Now, typically when I see people do wash and goes, they be in the shower. Baby, I did not have this idea when I was in the shower because I was in there like this. You know what I'm saying? I've been trying to get my vibes and stuff going and trying to like, you know, just be in my own little world. And I love it every minute of it. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. If you want to know the secret to having good, clear skin, bitch, heal. You got to heal. Nobody told me that. Nobody told me that in order to glow, you gotta be healed. In order to have good skin, you gotta heal. In order to feel good, you gotta heal. In order to be a truthful being, you gotta heal. You know what I'm saying? Like healing and being healed on in the inside is gonna pour out on the outside. I just thought I'd throw that out there. But I combed my locks out like, it's been like a couple of weeks. Got my locks combed out, and I also got my hair cut recently, so my hair is a little bit more shorter. I'm okay with that because I'm just doing me right now. I really don't care about how long or how short my hair is because baby, it's gonna grow back. As long as I stay happy and healthy, baby, my hair gonna be like before you know it, so I don't care. And if anybody got a thing, problem, better call Tyrone. Hey, call. I'm trying to figure out why my man not home. Huh? I don't got no man, y'all. I'm just playing. But we about to do a wash and go, and I'm super excited, y'all. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Quite frankly, I don't even give a shit if y'all share the video, like, and leave a comment. They'll find me. So I guess I gotta show you guys the products that I'm using because I have not did like a hair tutorial full length video. Like I've done shorts and I'm like actually new to the shorts. So yo, this is what I'm using. This is Miel, whatever, pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. I'm just not getting hip to the leave-in conditioner because I was watching this girl's video and she was like, baby, if you're not using conditioner, leave-in conditioner, what are you doing? You wonder why your hair's breaking off? You wonder why your shit's dry? And I was like, baby, I wonder why. And I was like, let me go get some. This is the first one I seen, so I grabbed it and I used it the other day. And I must say, I actually really like it. It's very silky and it kind of just glides through my hair. I don't know if it will glide through your hair. I don't know what you want me to say. But on the bright side, I'm also going to be using the Cantu gel. I am familiar with this, y'all. I do have a short up with me doing my last hairstyle. I did like a Bantu knot and twist out on the back. Turned out amazing with this product right here. So these are the two things that I'm going to be using for this style today. And I'm really hoping that it's actually going to work itself out. And if it don't work out, what I plan to do, so honestly, I have to do my hair because it's my content weekend. So what I do is I create a lot of my short form videos all in one day. So my hair, as long as my hair looks good, I'll be able to get through my content. But however, I just wash my hair, and with my job and stuff and kids and all of that I have to do, y'all, I have so much to do. I don't plan on having to do my hair again. So push comes to shove, if the hair does not last, I'm just gonna put it up into a puff ponytail, period. I figured it would be a really good idea to go over my scalp with some GORL oil because my scalp has been getting really dry and itchy, and I don't know if that's because I took my locks out. Like my hair, I'm still getting used to the idea of just like not having my locks. So I'm also gonna put some on my hand because, and y'all don't judge me, I'm literally just still learning. Like I'm learning, so don't judge me or I'm gonna cry. Okay. So I have put my hair in all these individual twist sections, hoping that my hair can just like stay out of my way. But like when I try to put it up into a ponytail, I feel like the twists are trying to unravel and I don't want that. So, oh, this side worked out. Okay, let me just slide those in. Hold on, let me do the other side. Oh, who the fuck is that? I look crazy. So I just left out two back pieces. Let me show y'all. Okay, that's what I did. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just untie one. Okay, not Not they trying to turn into a Bantu curl. Baby, that is not what we doing. That's not what we doing. I think I'm gonna start off with the leave-in conditioner. I'm really not 100. I'm just gonna do like, baby, my hair get dry. I'm doing 2 full pumps. Judge your mama. Oops. Y'all know what kind of stain that look like? The kind of stain I need in my life. We're gonna make sure we touch the roots, and I'm just gonna really saturate it. I love this leave-in conditioner, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like it throws the moisture in my hair pretty freaking quick. And I'm just gonna use my fingers and, like what they say, finger detangle. I want to finger detangle. Like somebody need to be doing me. It's the life. This is the life of Arie, the Amore, Arie. I'm just not that I go by Arie. And y'all know Amore means love, and I'm like, I don't have no love in my life. Every time I feel like, let me shut up. We're gonna go straight into this. Baby, I can't even open it. Let me call my man, honey. Please. Man, the person that I'm interested in is many miles away. And I'm over it. Freaking over it, Grandpa. Can y'all see how much I'm putting? I love the smell of can too. I'm gonna do a good amount. And I'm trying to make sure it's all, you gotta get the roots. You gotta get the root. And then what I've been seeing people do is like take a small piece and then they just kind of wrap it and then just let it, hold on, that felt like it was too big of a piece. Wrap it around your finger like that. And then I guess eventually it just kind of curls itself back up. Hold on. It was not ready for you. Let's see, just like that. Oh, y'all, my dating life has been crazy. My dating life has been crazy. Y'all, tell me why I had to break up with my ex twice. How do you have to break up with somebody more than once? That stuff like that don't make sense. Like, see, I'm a real strong believer in you can't be friends with people after you guys break up. And then like me and my ex, we thought we was gonna be able to maintain a friendship, but like that's just not working out because, honey, people be thinking that like you're not allowed to move on. They be thinking you're not allowed to be happy. And I don't be having time for that. So I had to break up with my ex again. I don't want to be friends with you anymore. That's just spit. That's how you know it's real. I don't want to be friends with you no more. Leave me alone. That's how I felt. Like, leave me the fuck alone, bro. Shit. I'm trying to be happy. I can't even be happy around you. You already a broke man once. You're trying to keep me broken. No, baby. So I finished the first little 2 rolls that I had out, and I feel like this side turned out way better, as you guys can see. You see how the curls turned out? Because when I twisted it, I did it around my middle finger, and I like let it sit on my finger for a little bit, and then I kind of drug my finger off. Whereas this side, I mean, the curls are there. How can the curls are here too, but I don't know. I just feel like that side took. Oh, and then this is what I did different on this side compared to this side. I sprayed it, then let me just show y'all. Let me show y'all what I did, because I don't know if that makes a difference. So here's the next section, right? Ooh. All I did was spray it. I got it back wet, just like that. Rub the water in a little bit, just like that. Okay, nothing too crazy. This section is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna do maybe like 3 or 4 pumps of the leave-in because I do want to make sure that it's all the way throughout my hair. And then I put the leave-in in like that, and I felt like since it was wet or somewhere, you know, a little more wet, a little more damp, it took the product a little bit more. And I'm making sure that I get the ends really good, and then that's when I went in with the gel. Now I've seen people use like, oh, it's starting to blend in with my hair. I've seen people use like mousse in this, you know, literally just mousse, but I don't think I want that for my hair because I want the curls to be able to kind of last a little bit and be able to kind of be more diverse, because like I said, at some point I'm probably going to pick the curls out a little bit, and then I definitely might do like a high puff ponytail for work this week, something simple and cute. So yeah, and then another thing I did different, let me show y'all. So I took a section out, right? So this will be my section. I took my middle finger, I wrapped it around my middle finger real tight at the root, like that, and then I like literally took my time bringing it down. The fuck? So that's what I'm about to do. Let me show y'all again. I took a small piece and I used my middle finger as a guide. Literally, I did the root like that. I'm twisting it until all the hairs in there, right? And then I'm just slowly letting it loose. The fucking curl is there. Fucking yeah. Yeah. So let me do this side, because I don't want to bore y'all. I'm going to show you guys more when I get towards the front.
Call me Arie the Reaper, cause I be taking niggas' souls. He wanna wipe me up, but I already let him go. Bye. Catch me outside, baby, I don't even know ya. Once his toes curl, then I know I can control ya like, yeah.
This is what we're looking like so far. Y'all, I had to like bring me a seat. I honestly thought this was gonna be fast. I'm sitting here watching, oh, I paused it by accident. I'm watching the Shannon Sharp and Keke Palmer interview. I love it. Keke Palmer is just so well spoken. I inspired to be well spoken like that young lady. Like, period, Keke. But this is what we're looking like towards the front. I definitely can't wait to stretch it out because y'all, my head is big, okay? But I am loving how it is looking so far. So I ended up stop recording me like actually doing it, just because I just feel like it's just taking so freaking long. So I'm going to show you guys the end result, and then we're going to get the blow dry. I'm going to try to stretch it out and see how it looks. Hi, so I'm back, and this is the final result before we blow dry it. So I think what I'm going to do, because I want it to be kind of pushed out a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. So we got to go get the blow dryer and try to do a little something.
He don't want his ex back, like yeah. I'ma let him hit it from the back, like yeah. I'ma have him cashing all his checks, like yeah. Yeah. Call me Arie the Reaper, cause I be taking niggas' souls. He wanna wipe me up, but I already let him go. Catch me outside, baby, I don't even know ya. Once his toes curl, then I know I can control ya, like yeah.
I'm gonna do like a 2-string twist and add a bead to the end, just to kind of give it like a little bit of personality, because I feel like it's lacking personality a little bit. I like it though. Because then what? Alright guys, so I guess I am done. I don't feel like there's anything else I can do to this look. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really like it. The only thing that I'm worried about is going to sleep. How's it going to look tomorrow? I don't know. But like I said, if it doesn't look right come tomorrow, I'm just going to pull it up to a puff ponytail and go about my day. But anyway guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye. I like it. Period.